One thing you should know if you're stopping in Plagne in one of these apartment blocks is every single morning you have this hill to negotiate to get to the chairlifts every morning, and it can be a bit of a bitch. Last time I came here I said I wouldn't come again because of it, but here I am. Man, it's coming down here now. Okay, at the top of our pit. It is still snowing quite a lot, but not as heavy as before. Visibility. We obviously had to get the neoprene face thing out. But yeah, I'm gonna head down there into Mont Blanc because it's a bit lower, should be a bit more sheltered. I'm down at Mont Chauvin, and all of a sudden this mist has come down. Look, you can barely see. Maybe it's low cloud and not mist, but goodness me, glad I'm sitting on the chairlift. I literally just came down that slope 2 minutes ago and it was absolutely fine. In fact, the sun was poking through. Snow always looks amazing after you've had a big snowfall the night before. Just skied down Correlay, which is not the easiest slope at the best of times, but when it's got a lot of snow on it, makes it really difficult. Very tiring on the legs. Anywho, heading off back down to Plagne now, going to get some lunch. Just starting to feel it in my legs, and it is because of the deep snow on the piste. So get some lunch, an hour's rest, and back out there. Weather's cleared up a little bit now, decent visibility, so I'm going to head back to the room and get some food. Just outside the tunnel, Red Lognan, closed, avalanche danger. Just on a little chairlift now, heading over to, I don't know, I forget now, Prince Albert, something like that, Albertville, something with Albert in it anyway. Somewhere that I don't think I've ever, maybe I've been once, many years ago, but it's really low down. Mont Albert, that's it, Mont Albert. It's not cold at all today, it is warm. And if this is going to freeze overnight, won't be able to get down there tomorrow because it'll just be icy, so I'm going to head over there now. Heading back now. It's 4 o'clock and there might be a bit of blue sky up there, but it is. I am wet. I'm not wet through snow, wet through rain. So this is only the second time I've ever been skiing and it's rained. Like I say, blue sky coming over there, so it probably should stop soon, but right now it's raining. Look how black it's looking over there. It's looking black, and that, I'm afraid, is not snow at these temperatures.